yourself?
I did. The wind helped a little.
I'm glad you're here.
Me too. Ready for our adventure?
Always. Hi there! Over here! It's me! Oh, I'm so happy to see you. Isn't it a beautiful night? The sky looks like it's painting itself just for us. Come on, wave back.
Do you see it? Right there, under the pines. The table's all set. Honey, berries, bread still warm from the oven. The checkered cloth? I stitched that myself. Come on, the sun won't wait.
Little Chef knows exactly when to add the syrup.
Code. First, a good sniff to make sure it's just right. One pour here, the other there. Pull it around and loop a tidy little bow. Perfect. Ready for whatever's next.
A simmering broth, rich and golden, carries the colors of the garden. Carrots, tomatoes, sweet corn, and kale rise and fall with each burst of a bubble, while the air fills with the scent of thyme and...
That's good. Very good.
Just a pinch. Perfectly placed. Dinner is about to sing. That's how.
Seed and berry medley with warm nectar on top.
Oh, it smells delicious.
Fresh from the kettle. Enjoy.
Thank you, little chef. You're amazing.
My pleasure.
This little guy approves. And that's a happy bunny.
Thanks, little one. Hi there.
These two new friends just wanted to say hello.
Bye-bye.